Hey guys, okay, so this is part of December's craft box, and this is the New Year insert. And it has the big insert, it has the little insert, and then we've got all the little pieces. So I separated it by like what colors I wanted to paint them. And then the top row I think is all white. And I'm going to paint the Happy New Year in white at first, but I am going to change the colors of it because I wanted the words to stand out a little more. The second layer, oh yeah, the hats, you guys, I completely forgot to paint the second part on the hats on the big insert. So there's circles on it and there's stripes on that second hat. I completely forgot to paint that part. So they're just black and white on mine. So I would definitely go back in and add your circles and add your stripes to give it a little bit more, of a fun hat. Okay, so once we've painted everything, I did use bright white. That is Nominee, which is the gold, and then Saffron is the yellow I used, and then I also used black. Okay, and then I'm gonna take the Nominee and kind of sprinkle a little bit of that around, kind of like distressing it a little bit with some glitter, or metallic, I should say. Go ahead and make sure that's all dry, and then I am using reverse tweezers to glue down the little pieces in there. Okay, it really came in handy for that top part that has like the champagne lid or the wine bottle lid, whatever it is. But anyways, the cool glue gun I'm using, it's actually a super fast heating glue gun. You can get it on my Amazon page, but sorry y'all, I've got the baby here with me and I'm just now getting to the recordings. So if you're catching this on YouTube, this box is already past. It was December's box, but these will be available starting in March on my website. Okay, so we're just gonna glue all of these together real quick. I am using a little bit of super glue. You can use super glue, you can use hot glue, whatever it is you choose. But see, there you see I forgot to add my colors on the two hats. But anyways, it turned out super cute as well. And voila! There you go. So there's your New Year insert for the baskets.